I'm pretty sure you prepared something
I
on
did.
your GitHub, right?
Yep.
Let's open that one up.
Again, the link to the website that Stephan
Yeah.
is going to show you is right here. In the
All right, good.
part
So,
3, right?
I open up your GitHub. Yep,
Good to go?
I'm good to go.
Okay, and we will start with our exercise now. There you go.
Okay, I'm clicking right on the solution tab, right?
Nope.
No.
Absolutely not.
At least I had to try. So let's take a look into the exercise. What do we have here? 3 things I have to do. Create a function pet age. Let's do that. Right. So I'm here in, not in the right. Okay. This is from the last time. Just by the way, if you're interested in what we did last time, there's a YouTube video. Just go into our YouTube channel. It's arconsis, and you can see what I did last time.
Okay, do you want to run the code real quick just so we can see that everything's where it's supposed to be?
Yeah, well, then I have to history restored. History restored. Okay. I called it let's go. So
okay, perfect. Looks good. Looks good. So yeah, you can delete it. That's the last exercise.
Get the whole point for the exercise.
Yeah.
Okay. So I can delete that.
Yeah.
We don't need that. That rhymes. Okay. So create a function. Yeah, let's do that. Easy. We have a function and call it, what was it? Pet age. Do you have a pet?
I do. A little dog named Chili.
Chili.
Yeah.
That's nice. Yeah. So I created a function, right?
Yeah, not quite. What's missing?
Do I need the curly braces?
Yeah, that's right.
Right. And just for that's a proper look of a function. Okay.
Just style-wise, like that would work just fine, but style-wise, you maybe want to remove the white space between age and the opening parentheses,
like
and
this?
and add a space between
and this.
Yeah.
So we don't want to be picky, but that's how it should look.
Exactly.
It actually really looks a little bit better on the eye. Okay, great. So we did the first part here. We created a function pet age. We didn't add the parameter age, and put it in here.
Yeah, very good.
And I just call it age.
Yeah. And what did we say? Always has to be accompanied by the parameter name.
Come again?
So right now it's a red underline. Why do you think that is? Red underline means there's something wrong.
There's something wrong. So far I'm
yeah. So if you click somewhere on the screen so that the pet and now hover over the
parameter age. Any age is declared, but its value is never read.
And just under that,
implicitly has an any type. Oh, of course.
Yeah.
It's a number.
Yeah.
Yep. Sorry. We
nice.
have
very good.
Here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Exactly. Yeah. The types are
so the types
mandatory.
Are actually important and they're mandatory. Yeah. Correct. Yeah. It's a number. Yeah. Age is a number. At least on this planet. Okay. So
good thing you didn't add the just.
So we did that. Okay. Yeah. We created a function. It's called pet age, and we gave it the parameter age, which is a number.
Yeah.
So pet age returns the string this animal is years old. Is that a question? Or pet age returns the string. Oh, okay. This is gotcha. So I would say console log.
Nope.
No?
No. Well, if you go back and read the read the sentence very carefully.
Very carefully. I want this
Before that, the second word.
string.
No, the second word in the sentence.
Return. Oh, return.
Yeah.
That was the trap you built for me beforehand. So return. Do I have to put it this way?
You don't have to, but it just looks better.
That. Yeah, okay. So we want to return pet age. Okay, now I do have a big question mark above my head. Because we just created a function, we gave it a parameter, the parameter is a number, but we now want to return a string.
So there's something didn't properly form. What do you mean? Come again, sorry.
Yeah, if I return now pet age.
So maybe paste the string in there first.
Yeah.
Okay, and something didn't get formatted right, or I forgot to add the word, but you want this. So, for example, if the age is 15, then you want the string, this animal is 15 years old.
Okay, so you want the age should be somewhere between here, right?
Yeah, that would be good.
Okay, but how do we do that? Did I just didn't pay attention beforehand?
Yes.
And you showed me that, and
I did.
Right. Maybe I just should look into the
No.
Just help me out here.
Okay, so we totally can concatenate. We can add strings together, if that's a bit of a help.
Yes.
With a plus.
I do remember, but can I just write into that string?
You would have to create a new string. So if you have
something like this, right?
Yes, perfect.
And then, of course, put this again in.
Yeah.
Oh, I already did that.
Yeah, very good. And now?
So I have to put the
your age.
Yeah. Do I need two pluses and just put it in between?
Yeah,
like
perfect.
This?
Yeah, that's very good.
Return, and then this animal is. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, perfect.
So now if so now nothing would be printed out because I need the console log.
Yeah, no, that's right. Yeah, just you can, if you go back to your code first, and
this already happened, right?
Yeah, this already happened.
You don't say print it out.
Yes, that's very good. But if you go back to your code, we can still. It's always a good idea, even if something's not finished, to check if it works correctly.
Yeah, so now I would.
You need the parentheses first again.
Sorry.
So, yeah. How do you call a function? What did we say?
I'm just the age. The number. How old is the dog?
My dog's 8 now.
So I would put this in here, right?
If you save your file and run the code, what do you expect?
It's not going to happen. It's not going to work if you ask me like this.
Yeah, that's right. And why is that?
Because I forgot something, of course.
Yeah. Just try it. Like, it's always a good idea to save the file first.
Yeah, sure. Because remember,
yeah,
if there is a dot like this one here, we don't need that, by the way.
Oh, say don't save for me. Yeah.
Which is so now it's saved. Okay.
Yeah. We get an 8 here.
Yeah, because we say console log and then just print out the number.
Exactly.
8. So I want to print out pet age.
Yes.
Of course. There we go. But now I still have to declare that that 8. But where do I do that? I really forgot that. Because right now, what would happen? Nothing, right?
You would get an error. No, you didn't save the file. That's why nothing happened.
Always remember, guys. Always just remember this. I will get an error, actually. Yeah, because I do have in some way say that age is 8.
Yeah.
And I did forget how to do that.
Yeah. So I will give you a little tip. So calling a function is very similar than like declaring it. So what happens after pet age in line 1? No. Before that. Like right after it, the E of pet age. What happens there?
The E? Oh, this.
Yeah, even before that. Right after the E of age. Of
can
pet age.
This?
No. Even before that.
Even before.
So if you go on pet age in line 1, just click on it with your cursor.
Oops.
Yeah. Now if you move 4 to the right, and then you're at the E of age, you can use your arrow keys as well, by the way.
Oh, okay.
One more. Now what happens? Yeah. This. Yeah. What's the first character after the E of age? Yes, exactly. Yes, perfect.
If you know it, it's easy.
Yeah, it's just practice. Yeah. Now you know.
Yeah. No, it makes totally sense because all I'm doing is just I'm having this
exactly
written down here.
Yeah, and you replace
instead of age double point number, I actually put the number in it.
Yeah.
Yeah. If you say it out loud, it's just yeah.
And now I've tortured you a bit, and you won't forget in the future.
I'm pretty sure I won't. Yeah. Thank you. I'm sweating. Oh, wait. Save it and then just go again. And here we go. Well, okay. See, I did a mistake here.
Yes, nice.
I did it correctly here. I had the space in here, but
exactly. I was just waiting for you to notice, but very good that you did.
Here we go.
Nice.
Okay.
So let's continue with our exercise.
Okay, let's do it. So we actually did more than you asked me for.
Yeah,
that's okay. Create a second function, pet creator. Yeah, let's do that with the parameters, type, and age. So okay, we just do another function. Call it pet creator. I forgot, what was it? Type and age. So type. Whoops, again. This is a string.
Yes.
And
age was the other one.
Age is, of course, a number.
Yeah.
Okay, and then just...
Why is it red again? Why is age red?
I should separate those two.
Yeah, it gives you a little tip right there.
Does it?
Yeah, if you hover over it.
Oh yeah, okay. Just a
comma expected.
Comma, that's all. Yeah.
So you have to separate it.
Let's save that. So we did that. We created a second function. We call pet. We call pet age from pet creator.
Yeah. So if you go back and sorry, to the code. I mean, okay. Yeah. So if you remove line 5 and move line 5 into line 8, that's basically it. Or line 7 now. Yeah. And then you can replace the 8 with age.
Oops, I have caps lock on.
So that's also great about functions. You can call other functions in functions.
Just wanted to ask, so I can call a function, in this case, pet age, inside another function.
Yeah.
Well, that's pretty neat. Okay.
Yeah, isn't it?
It is.
No.
So okay, this was this question, right? Call pet age from pet creator, meaning
Yes.
Okay. Okay, what's the next one? If the type is dog, then print woof. So if type is dog. So if does it goes like I shouldn't have
no, it's good. It's good.
that.
It's the right way.
If type, yeah, sure, is just dog.
Yeah.
So if this is true, then
so what did you forget? Did
I forget something?
Yeah. In the code, not in the.
Yeah, I just wanted to. Well, I didn't declare.
No. You did everything right so far. It's just the if needs curly braces as well.
Oh, yeah, always. Sorry. So, if type is dog, then we want to have just what was it? Woof.
Nice.
If the type is cat, then print meow. Let's save that first and just check it. No, we didn't say dog. So if
you didn't call
if you want to check it, we had to call it again, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So no, inside. No. See, that's why you should pay attention, because this is the function, all these lines here. Yeah, okay. So again, I just learned it. So we call the function pet creator, right?
Mm-hmm.
And oops, pet creator says dog. No.
Mm-hmm.
I just lost myself. What?
If you look in line 6 again.
Yeah.
Or if you hover over the red underlining, that's always a good idea.
You
did no. That was all.
I want to do something else, because I first have to return. If this happens, then return. Wouldn't this make more sense?
No.
No.
It never says anything about return, but
yeah,
you were right to pause.
I just try to do that.
Yeah,
again.
but that's not what the exercise says. It says print, and that's what you did.
Yeah.
So what does that mean? You don't need the console log that you used in line 13.
No?
You can just remove it. And also the braces.
Oh, of course, yeah.
Because the console log is already happening inside of the function.
Here, I already coded that.
Why is it still? You can see that it's still red.
No, it wouldn't work.
If you hover over the red, what?
Oh yeah, that. Okay.
An argument for age was not provided.
Arguments.
And it says an argument for age was not provided.
Yeah. So if I just say this.
Mm-hmm.
So nothing red anymore.
Mm-hmm.
Now here we go.
Yeah. Perfect. And it says woof.
And it says woof. Yeah.
And also this animal is 7 years old because we called the pet age inside of pet greeter.
This was this one here, right? Because I just copied this out of I hadn't actually this I hadn't it in my mind. I just forgot about that. Yeah. But this is what you asked me for in this exercise.
Yeah.
Okay. Second case, else if.
Yes.
Type. No, I also want to do that is, I think, cat, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Then say console log meow.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. If the type is cat, then print meow. And we can check it if we just write cat in here. Or, sorry, or we just can just use another one, which says cat, oops, no, it's a string, cat, and 24.
That's an old cat.
It's a very old cat. Yeah. Let's save that and let's see what's happening. We should have, yes.
Nice.
Okay.
Cool.
Could we? I'm just thinking if I want to have this animal, this dog or this cat, I could just write in. Could I do that? That I had the type in here.
Yes.
Even if I'm declaring it later.
No, then not.
Because it's always going from the bottom to the the top to the bottom, right?
So why can you use age?
Because I declared a parameter here.
And why can't you do it with type as well?
Because I'm declaring it just in line 6, so later. So.
But that doesn't matter, right?
Does it? That's what I'm asking.
Yeah. So you can copy the entire function to be after pet greeter, and it doesn't matter.
Could I? Because then I don't have the parameter of age.
Why not?
Because if you mean copy, not
yeah. So it doesn't matter. No. Cut out and paste it in line 16, for example.
Just this one?
No. The entire function. It doesn't matter where it is.
Okay. So if I want to, oops, nope. Just learned something.
So if you save and then call it again.
Save, yeah. Okay, so this
still runs. So
okay, so it doesn't matter where.
Okay, so if we call pet age, where do we get the age from?
Oh, here.
And where's this age in line 2 coming from?
Here.
No.
No?
The other way around.
Oh, of course. Okay.
So we get the age in line 12. For example, this is the 7, and this is equivalent to the age in line 1. And then we pass it into the next function.
Yeah, okay, now I get it. Okay, so I actually could do this what I thought, right? I could this, and instead of animal, I'm writing type. Need another plus. Does it make sense?
What are you still missing? Why, if you hover over type?
I cannot find name type.
Yeah. And why can we find age?
Because
exactly, because
yeah,
we
because
can use in line 16, we can use age,
because we have
because we can use age in line because we declared age in line 15.
Yeah, inside the function.
Yeah.
So I just have to declare a type here
Yes.
as a string.
Yeah. And then look at line 2, we get a new underlining.
I shoveled myself a grave, so.
No, you're doing good. It was a good idea to add it. If you weren't going to suggest it, I was about to suggest it.
Sure, thank you. Is it actually in the? No, it's not.
So.
Okay, so I expected 2 arguments, but just got 1.
Because in the function petAge, you have 2 arguments, and now you're only providing age. So after age, add a comma and then type, and then you're done. After age, sorry, no. Right after age, not the parentheses.
Sorry,
yeah.
Makes sense because
So we get in line 7. In line 12, we provide dog and 7.
So
this goes into pet greeter type and age, and pet greeter gives it to pet age.
Yeah, and this one goes. Yeah, okay.
Yeah. Does it make sense?
Yeah, let's just give me a second. Yeah, okay.
Yeah. So if you save and run again.
Now we should have the expected outcome. Yeah. Instead of that, I had to put another space in here.
Exactly.
Yeah. So this dog is 7 years old, woof, and this cat is 24 years old, meow. Yeah. Okay, woof.
So we're not completely done with the exercise. There's one more.
Else print hello. Okay, so yeah, we put it down here. So we have the if type is dog, if type is cat, and else for every other case. Do I need those?
No.
Just the curly braces, right? Okay. Else just what was it? Hello. Nope. Nope. So if we would have would call that function with I don't know, parrot. And 243.
That's a really old parrot.
I don't know. Do you get? Maybe I should have written turtle. I don't know. They don't even get that old, right? There's no animal getting that old. Yeah, it says which fits because a parrot can say hello.
Exactly.
Genius. Okay. But we're still not finished.
Did you already did
something?
that?
I already did that.
Yeah. Just intuitively.
Pet create functions with different parameters of choice.
Well done. That's it. Exercise finished.
Okay. This was a little bit more complicated than the last 2 ones. I have to admit, especially those when do I call what and what does this mean and what does this have for implications.
Yeah.
But that's a nice function actually. That's what you said, because just inside this little thing here, there's so much.
Yeah, that's right. So if we would call pet greet 100 more times, we don't have to write all that code. We can just have 100
the
lines.
Parameters, whatever the type is, and
Yes.
the age, whatever the age is, and just get those.
That's right.
If we wouldn't write dog or cat in it, just get the hello. Yeah. Awesome. Whew.
All right.
I'm done.
Yeah.
So
Stay
hold on
tuned.
to your horses, everybody. And see you next week.
All right.
Have a great day.
Bye-bye. Thanks,
Bye-bye.
guys.